If you're considering the NTT DOCOMO USA eSIM for your international travels, here are 12 things you absolutely need to know before purchasing. While this eSIM offers some great benefits, there are key things you should compare before committing. Stick around until the end for an even better option to consider. First up, NTT DOCOMO USA eSIM is a solid choice for those who want reliable coverage in several countries, including Japan, where DOCOMO is the dominant mobile carrier. But if you're looking to cover more destinations, you might want to check other options like Airalo or Holafly, which have a broader range of global coverage. Next thing, it's easy to set up, but there's a catch. You'll need to download the eSIM activation details through DOCOMO's website or app after purchasing, which is a step some users might find a bit cumbersome compared to competitors who offer instant activation. Third thing, speed and reliability. DOCOMO offers fast 4G LTE and 5G speeds in many countries, especially in Japan. However, in some more remote areas or outside Japan, you might experience slower speeds compared to other services like T-Mobile's eSIM, which has a more consistent global presence. Next thing, pricing. DOCOMO's pricing isn't the most competitive on the market. It's generally a bit higher than services like Airalo, which also offer flexible plans for longer stays at a cheaper rate. If you're traveling for an extended period, DOCOMO might not be the most cost-effective choice. The fifth thing to consider is their customer support. While DOCOMO does have support for eSIM users, it's primarily tailored to customers in Japan. International travelers may find themselves needing to navigate through some language barriers or slower response times, especially if they are far from Japan. Sixth thing, data limits. DOCOMO's plans can sometimes come with relatively low data allowances compared to others. For example, with Holafly, you get unlimited data in some countries, whereas DOCOMO's data may be capped, which could be restrictive for heavy data users. Next up, compatibility. This eSIM works with most eSIM-capable phones, but it's always worth double-checking your device's compatibility. Unlike other services, DOCOMO doesn't support as wide a range of phones, especially older models, so make sure your phone is on the approved list before you buy. The eighth thing is their validity period. While many competitors offer flexible plan durations, DOCOMO's eSIMs tend to have fixed validity periods, which might not align perfectly with your travel plans. If you need something more flexible, you may want to consider alternatives like GigSky. Ninth thing, DOCOMO offers decent coverage, but if you're traveling to multiple countries, the overall value might not be as high. Other options like Airalo give you access to regional or global plans that can be much more convenient and cost-effective for multi-country trips. The 10th thing is roaming fees. If you're traveling to a country that DOCOMO doesn't cover, you may end up paying hefty roaming charges. Some other eSIM providers like Truephone offer more extensive global coverage without these extra fees. 11th. When it comes to recharging or adding more data, DOCOMO isn't as streamlined as competitors like Holafly or Airalo, which make it incredibly easy to top up or extend your plan directly from their apps. DOCOMO, on the other hand, may require you to go through a more complex process. And lastly, DOCOMO USA eSIM is a good option for users looking to stay connected in Japan or certain parts of Asia. But for broader global coverage, better flexibility, and more affordable plans, we recommend trying Airalo or another eSIM provider that offers a free trial. In conclusion, while the NTT DOCOMO USA eSIM is a reliable option for certain countries, if you're seeking a more seamless and cost-effective international experience, be sure to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.